Hi guys, welcome back to Art by Julie E. And I am going to be working with alcohol inks today, and this is going to be part of Nate Bright Art's Art Lab Patreon group collaboration. He challenged us to do these leaf impressions, botanical impressions, and he works mainly with acrylic paints, and I'm transitioning into mostly doing alcohol inks, but the two can inspire each other very much, as you'll see here. And if I had to do this over again, I would have gone in and just laid out my little leaf impressions. And you'll see, I live in southern Arizona, and here in the desert, we don't have a lot of larger leaves. You know, most of our stuff is full of thorns and pricklies and, yeah, ouchies. So, and I didn't have time to go to the florist and try and pick out leaves and plants and buy them and all that kind of stuff. So I did have in my mixed media box some metal leaves, and I'm going to be using those. And I also have some metallic looking, but they're paper plastic coated butterflies, and I'll be using those as well. And all I'm doing is moving some beautiful green inks around a piece of round Nara. I believe it's an 8-inch Nara round, and I'm just moving that all around, and then I'm letting it dry. And this is when I should have just laid down all of my stuff and then just taken my spray bottle of isopropyl alcohol over the top and just dampened everything and then let it sit to re-dry. But I didn't do that because I always do things the hard, messy way, and as you'll see. But yeah, it's just a lot of fun. It's quick, it's easy, and you want to use a well-ventilated area because you are working with a lot of alcohol when you do this, and the fumes can get pretty noxious and toxic, so you don't want to keep breathing that kind of stuff in to your lungs and stuff. But yeah, the rest is pretty self-explanatory. I'll put on some music, and I'll see you at the end.
Your hat back on.
How quick and fun and easy was that? I just love it. And there's going to be more to the lineup. I don't know who's next, but the playlist will be down in my description. So click that link and hit play all so you don't miss any of us in this collaboration. Thanks again, Nate, for always inspiring, and loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!